Welcome. Today, in continuity of lesson 1, we are proceeding ahead with lesson 2. This lesson is introducing the importance of the translation of the text into different folds. The text is in Devanagari Alphabet. Vedic Ganita Sutras text is in Devanagari Alphabet, and Devanagari Alphabet is of 5 folds. The uppermost fold, which is letters alphabet, is visible, is available at the outset. However, the mathematics domain requires that we shall enter its second fold, which is a numbers fold. Let us have a revisit to Devanagari alphabet. It will look as an organization of letters. The folds beneath, the numbers beneath, the geometric format beneath, etc. are as such not visible. We have to visit and glimpse the inner folds of this alphabet. The first inner fold is numbers alphabet. Now see the Devanagari Varanamala, the word Devanagari is in letters form, and same is to be translated into numbers. Let us translate it. The letter Da will give us 6. The sixth vowel will give us 6. The letter Va will give us 7, then 1, 8, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. It is the translation of the formulation Devanagari, the word Devanagari. It is of summation value 41. The Varanamala will get translated into numbers as and it is of summation value 36. The formulation Devanagari Varanamala gets translated into numbers of total summation value 77. Now see, if we concentrate only upon the vowels, which are 9, these yield value 45, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then there are Varga consonants. These give us value 125. Anthastha give us 16. Ushmana give us 20. And these are 206. Together with 77 of Devanagari, this becomes 283. It will be blissful. One may have a pause here, and let us avail, let us glimpse, let us imbibe this reach of 283, which is parallel with the total letters of 16 Ganita Sutras. 16 Ganita Sutras total letters are 283. The numbers translation, the transcendental code values of Devanagari Varnamala and of its vowels and consonants is also 283. So we can be blissfully parallel with this coding system of the Devanagari Varnamala, which in its first fold, having beneath it the first inner fold, so numbers alphabet is in fact bringing us face to face with the total format required for the organization of 16 sutras as 283 letters. Further, the numbers 1 to 16 lead to summation value 136, and the 8 consonants, 8 Yama letters of values 9 to 16 lead to summation value 100, making the total of 236, which is precisely equal to the total letters of 13 Ganita Upsutras. One can have a pause here. One shall sit comfortably. One shall glimpse this feature. One shall be parallel with it as to how the letters alphabet, which when is viewed, looked with the naked eye, as such will not take us to the numbers alphabet lively beneath it. We have to glimpse it. We have to transcend the upper letters layer of Devanagari alphabet. This transcendence will bring us face to face with the numbers alphabet lively beneath it, and this numbers alphabet as such will take us to 283 letters format for the sutras and 236 letters format for Ganita Sutras. As such, let us be conscious, let us be alive to this coding system. If we are fulfilled with urge to be parallel with the Vedic mathematics domain, then we have to transcend. We have to learn how to transcend. We have to meditate. The meditation will sequentially take us from one state to the another state. The first state of Devanagari Varnamala is its letters format. Beneath it is the second state, and it is a numbers. If we will transcend from the upper layer and will reach the next layer, then we will be parallel with the organization format needed for the text of Ganita Sutras and Ganita Sutras. Therefore, the first step which we have to take for entering Vedic mathematics domain is that we have to learn to transcend from the upper fold letters state of Devanagari alphabet, and we have to glimpse and we have to parallel with beneath it the numbers alphabet. Moment we will be parallel with this first inner fold numbers alphabet, once we will be reaching the numbers alphabet, we will be going parallel with the organization format of the text of Ganita Sutras, 16 in number of 283 letters and 13 Ganita Sutras as of 236 letters. Now, the number value 16 as numbers 1 to 16 lead to 1 to 29 as the factors. And number 29 is 16 plus 13. And it is going to be parallel with 16 sutras and 13 upsutras. Number value 29 is the TC value, transcendental code value of the formulation Brahma, Creator, the Supreme. Hence, we have to be blissfully in a mental state as that once we will be transcending from the mundane letters format to beneath subtle numbers format, then we will be entering from the mundane to a subtle state, from our physical eye observation domain to our mental eye observation domain. Vedic mathematics is a mental mathematics. For it, we have to be parallel with it, and to be parallel with Vedic mathematics, we have to be parallel with the way one can transcend from existing mental state to the next mental state. In the context of Devanagari Varnamala, it is going to be a reach from letters alphabet to the numbers alphabet. And as such, the first step for entering advanced Vedic mathematics course reach is to have a translation of the text of Ganita Sutras in letters form to its numbers alphabet format. So we have to learn, we have to be efficient in our translation of the text. The first translation step will be to reach from letters to numbers, and the next step will be sthapatya, that is to reach at the geometric formats. And to reach at geometric formats would mean to reach at the dimensional spaces, which would mean to reach at the dimensional bodies. It would mean that we are to reach at hypercubes. As we are within Creator's space, so here we are having four of the features. 2 plus 2 equal to 2 multiplied by 2. So half is the working unit. So we will be having hypercubes of full unit and hypercubes of half unit. The hypercube n of half unit is of four folds: n, n plus half, n minus half, and n minus 1. It is 4n minus 1. If we add all the quadruple folds of hypercubes 1 to 16 of half unit, then it will take us to value 168. And value 168 is the value of total primes up till 1000. And 168 as 8 is 1, as 16 is 2. Further, it is of 8 multiplied by 21, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It is parallel with the dimensional frame of 8 space. So Asht Prakriti is the format of this second fold, this Sthapatya fold, and the first fold numbers of vowels and consonants as a value 206 is parallel with the total bones of human body. So see this system as it is when is sequentially reached for its different folds, then it will be sequentially transiting from one set of values of Vedic mathematics to another set of Vedic mathematics. Let us sit comfortably. Let us learn to meditate. Let us learn to transcend. In the context, we have to learn to transcend from letters alphabet to numbers alphabet and from numbers alphabet to sthapatya. When we will be parallel with this, we will be sequentially transcending from mundane state of consciousness to subtle state of consciousness and to causal state of consciousness. For it, we have to practice, and in the next step, we will begin with the first letter of the text, sixth vowel of value 6, and it will be blissfully taking us to the master structural key of Vedic mathematics domain, as from first letter to the last letter, we will be sequentially progressing, we will be sequentially glimpsing, and it is going to be our attainment. Thank you very much.